This is a YLW match scheduled for one fall. First of all, coming out, Instinct! And there he is, folks, Instinct. And next, coming out, Nature! Alright, and commentating is Tyler. Nature, are you ready? Instinct, are you ready? Let's do this. And Nature trying to get in the face of Instinct. Instinct not liking that. Nature pushing back. Now we're getting into a push fight. Oh, that's not... Oh, and he misses a boot. The arrogant Nature. And then they're in a tie-up. Headlock. Trying to force out of it. Switch and hold, very smart. And an arm wrench by Instinct. Very technical type move. Trying to prevent him from doing any moves involving that arm. There he comes in with a kick to the leg. Oh, and here's the pin. 1, 2, and a kick out. And now Nature taking his back. Instinct trying to find its way out of this. And there he goes back in. Oh, now he's in a headlock. These two competitors very. Right, 1. Now he's in an arm lock. Oh, now to a head scissors, very, very resourceful by Instinct. Nature flipping over. Pin, 1, 2, and a kick out. Here comes Nature. Hits to the face. Arm wrench stomps. Now he's delivering on his own medicine to Instinct. Oh, and he misses the knee. And Instinct looks like he's trying to gather his composure. Coming over. Oh, kick to the leg. Knee smash. A very massive sounding one too. Alright, now what is he going for? He's going for some type of submission. And there he goes. Do you want to submit?
No.
Nature always reluctant. Do you want to submit? And he throws out of it. Pin, 1. Kick out. Instinct looked like he's thinking of a plan. Oh, and hits the face. Here we go. Oh, over his shoulders, What is he going for now? And counter, Instinct, here he goes. Is he going for the dead end? No, he's fight. Oh, and he fought out of it into an arm lock. Hammer lock now. We are past halfway through the match. 5 minutes remaining. Now he's in the arm lock. Trying to go for some type of move here. There's an arm lock. And what's going on? Nature trying to reverse. Instinct with knees to the side. Opponent can't fight back if he can't breathe. Oh, and a nice leg drop and an RKO. Oh my God, flat out. Nature is flat out. Here's a pin, here's a pin. 1, 2, and a kick out. Shows the resiliency of Nature. So arrogant, never wanting to lose to anyone. Especially not Instinct. Instinct looks like he's setting up for the spear. He's gonna do it. Is it the spear? Walking around, stalking him. Stalking. Here's it. Nature turns around and a counter. Oh, and a big boot to the friggin' jaw. Instinct looks like he wasn't anticipating that one. Nature coming over. Here we go. Some old school arm. And oh. And here we go. Irish whip.
Whoa, holy shit!
What is he? Oh, that's. Oh, jeez. Friggin' RKO. Instinct being resourceful, providing a distraction pin. 1, 2, and kick out. Instinct trying to be resourceful by distracting him. Nature looks like he's kind of unknowing of where he is. Hit to the face. Nature is flat out. His Instinct. He's trying to get the spear. He's setting up, telling him, get up.
Get up.
Instinct looks like he's ready, telling his opponent, trying to get him up. Nature, he's... Oh, now just blatant out kicks. Insulting Nature. Oh, brutal hit. A takedown by Instinct. And now here's into a chin lock. Do you want to submit? Do you want to submit? Oh, Nature looks like he's fading. Trying to get out of it. And he's trying to. Oh, and Instinct reacts accordingly. Here comes another takedown. Oh, and brutal hits to the face and the skull. He might be out soon if he keeps doing this. And a pin. 1, 2, and a kick out. We are almost 8.5 minutes in through this, in a 10-minute matchup. Here, what's he going for? Oh, almost a takedown into a label lock. Do you want to submit?
No.
Nature has that arm lock in. Do you want to submit?
No.
Nature viciously putting on this label lock. Oh, elbows. Elbows again. Another elbow. Repeated elbows to the face. And he's finally out of it. Here he goes, trying to get him up. We have 1 minute left in this time. Here we go. What is this? Going for the spear. Oh, and a bypass. Here we go. Is he going to do it? Oh. Oh my God. The impact on his finisher. 1, 2, 3. And that's it.